Hey everyone, so here we are in the Colmado with my girl. Yes, onions, see. And she just took some bananas off this nice banana stalk right here. No, they don't just have them hanging for design. This is a real banana stalk. And so here we are buying some fruits and vegetables because Pat said, I want to try some fruits and some vegetables that I have not tried before. Oh, here we go. We're going to get some coconuts because we're going to take this tomorrow to Cabarete to get some awesome coconut oil made. You want to try something you never tried before? Right here. No okra. This thing right here.
Patricia.
Take the seed home for... Oh, lechuga, por favor. But this here, it'll be soft in a couple of days. Take the seed home for a souvenir. Definitely. The seeds in these things right here are beautiful.
Shit, ain't got a goddamn one grow at my place.
Dayota. I have this already at home. Dayota. It sounds like Toyota. And then some yam. Or Edo. This is Edo. Oh my gosh. Edo. Look how big this Edo is. Beets. And ginger.
Depends. Do you cook with ginger?
Eggplant. No, I don't.
Eggplant? I've never tried.
How come you put that back? We need those. Yeah. Oh, but we need them tomorrow, no? Okay. Let's get one of these just so when it's soft, Patricia can try it. Do you know this is really good in soup?
What is that?
Edo.
We use that for the sancocho.
Yeah, it's like potato, but not.
You want ginger?
I don't really cook with ginger. Unless we make ginger tea in the morning. Grab some ginger and we make it with lime.
Oh, I know ginger ale and other.
Okay, forget it then.
Any white pop I'm allergic to.
White pop?
White pop.
So 7 Up.
Ginger's fine.
Okay. I don't know, but you know what? But tea. You want ginger tea in the morning with lime? Okay, then let's
try it. I can try it.
You can try it? All right, let's try it then. Here, get a little piece.
I would try.
And we'll get one more lime. How about carrot? Carrot? No carrot. There's some potatoes. Papa frito.
Vainita.
Where's potatoes?
Okra, you want okra, sir?
Sure, why not? Some okra.
Is this supposed to be green onion?
Green onion. No, that is wild cilantro.
Ah.
It's really good inside soup. Not too much okra.
No, that's some more.
Oh, maybe that's
That's good?
maybe a little less.
More?
A little less. More, a little less.
And I want some oysters.
Jugo de naranja. Oh, have you ever tried a star fruit before? No?
Yeah.
Yeah. Here's the star
I
fruit.
have that in New Zealand.
Yeah, I think that would be a good one. This is a good star fruit?
Do you know?
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit. Yep, that's a good one? Okay, that's a good one. I'm learning, guys.
Without sugar.
This is already our bag, right? This is already our bag.
I need sugar.
Okay, guys, so in this store, you can get oil, you can get garlic in a jar, ajo, you can get all kinds of stuff. There's even fish, there's macaroni and cheese, there's lots of sweet, there's hulls. You know, the hulls are really popular here, eh? They even have like watermelon hulls. I love watermelon hulls. Watermelon hulls. Imagine. And I love those ones. They're so delicious.
You want all?
No, not all those. This is really good. Just to try. And it's really cheap. Let me feel. No, that one's no good. Do you like garlic? Oh, you do like garlic. Okay. Try this garlic bread. With cassava. Let me try. Let me see. No, it's soft too. Yeah, that's the hardest one. You guys, you gotta crunch it. When you go like that and it doesn't crunch, then you know it's just too soft. I learned that trick, but then we go around crunching everyone's crap. So, sorry guys. And here you can also get some olives. Voila. And also some Nesquik. And some pasta. Milk and sugar. Leche y azúcar. Azúcar is, oh, over here. Here's creme, carnation, leche, milk in the thing, or milk carnation?
No.
Regular milk. In the freezer, probably. Azúcar? I think, no, that's not the guy that works here. Gino?
He said get it somewhere else.
He said get it somewhere else? Did he? Okay. Then we'll get it somewhere else. That means it's too expensive here. Muy caro.
I think there's salt there. You have pepper?
I have salt in the cupboard there for you. Pepper? No, but we can get that. Here, right over here. Here's some seasonings. Lele! Where are those seasonings? I saw. Here they are, right here. Right here. Pimenta. And this is all natural. Not a lot, but it's all natural. Here's oregano. So this is 5 pesos. Pepper.
What's that? Oh, it's oregano.
Pimenta. Got oregano. Manzanilla. I don't know what manzanilla means. That's the first place I ever went to in Cuba. No, Manzanillo is where I went.
Chamomile.
Chamomile? Oh.
Chamomile.
Where?
Right there.
Right here. What's it called? Cinnamon. I think. Yeah. No.
Chamomile.
Okay, guys. So there's the salt. Pepper.
They have bigger ones?
Muy grande? Más grande?
We can buy this in Cabrera.
Okay.
In Cabrera have this, but two.
So we'll get the rest of the stuff. Gino can grab it for us. We'll just go and sit down and have a glass of wine. Rojo y blanco. Red and white. Okay, guys. So we're going to buy this stuff. And I'm going to show you guys what they do. Oh, they already weighed it out and everything and already did all the adding up. Wow, that's awesome. They already did all the weighing and the adding. Awesome. That was really quickly. So, guys, 400. 400. How much did you say?
470.
470. That's 10 bucks for all that stuff for 1 week. That's pretty good. Right? You got double what I got. Right, exactly. We'll go to Super Pola to get the rest of the stuff. They have avocado here. Do you remember the avocado?
No, we didn't get
This
that.
one is too.
No good. They usually have some down here. They do have some here today. Oh, these ones are all too hard. Oh, this one's not bad. This one will be soft in 2 days. This one will be soft in about 2 días. Suave en 2 días.
Maybe this one.
Suave en 2 días.
Maybe this one.
Oh, suave mañana. Suave means soft. 2 días means 2 days. Oh, get my Spanish down, girlfriend. That's right. Pat's like, in 2 months you learn a little bit, but not enough. Girl, trust me, I still am not able to keep up a conversation.
That's it? Where's the rest of the night?
Oh, somebody keep it. Take it.
Este is
Somebody have it.
para mí. Oh, I didn't pay for this garlic.
Oh, yeah.
Probably 20 cents. 20 pesos. What are these things up here? Oh, a little barbecue maybe. Pretty cool. That would be pretty cool actually if it is a barbecue.
Somebody else took his stuff. Somebody else took his stuff.
Your motor control driver is going to be carrying all your stuff. Pretty sure. Where is he? Oh yeah, give him that bag. Hola. I don't know. Guys, we're in Los Charamicos, by the way. And Pat just arrived today. Pat just arrived, what, maybe 3 hours ago?
Oh, something like that.
She arrived from Jamaica, no problem.
Freaking bruise.
Hola. Hold on, what's taking Gino so long? He already got the avocado? Gino? We don't need to buy the garlic here, it's not that important. Where is he? Oh, here he is. Yeah, oh, okay, here. Put the avocado in there.
What's Lele?
Thank you. I don't know.
Lele. Lele here.
Donde Lele? Yeah. Oh, there's your bag, Pat.
No, I don't think she go there. No, Pat. No, here, it's too small.
Yeah. No.
It's too small.
Let him carry it for you.
No,
Let the men do that for you. Aw, my girl. Canadian.
We need beer.
Yes. Now we go to Cabrera. I need vino. Yo necesito vino rojo. Ah, mi frevito. All right, guys. So let's go now. We're leaving Los Charamicos, Colmado.
Go, Nate. Good news.
Oh, hola. The kids are getting off school right now. No problem, Jamaica, no problem. I'll run back and get it. It's okay, I get it. This is the second time I've had to do this in like a week. Jamaica, no problem. But it got cracked. Oh no. Pat, I have it. I had to do this twice this week.
Yeah, yesterday, man.
Oh, yesterday it was. Ah. Here, I give to her. It's broken.
It's a little broken and dirty.
That's a sign that we need to get you a helmet tomorrow. We're going to get her a helmet tomorrow to go to Cabarete.
Look at her feet. She looks like Dominican.
I know. Real Dominican. Muy El Paso.
I want to see Barbara again with
¿Qué? ¿Por qué? ¿Por qué El Paso? I think means why so slow? Or why slow? ¿Por qué demasiado El Paso? Does that mean why too slow? Ah, okay. I don't want to film anybody's problems, you know?
No, I understand.
That's why I put the camera up high.
That's nice.
Oh, good.
You see what happened when they have many traffic in this time?
Yeah?
Any people can break from you and bam.
Yes,
Wow.
exactly.
Now you have to go,
Yeah.
buying then for 1 week in jail, blah, 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 blah.
Right. And they're American. As I heard them say, I'm American. So they're really upset, and I didn't want to film them because it's none of my business to put them on film. That's not what they came on vacation for, to be filmed, getting pulled over, you know?
Yeah, well, yeah.
Oh! Muchas personas hablas cereza porque en cellular with the moto, and I don't care no more. I don't care. I was just saying, many people say, Cerise, why do you have the noise when you're on the motorbike? I don't care. Put your phone on mute. Watch the video and turn your sound down. Please, that's what I figured out. I have very limited supplies here. I have no gimbal. Okay? And no sound cutter. Obviously, I'm waiting for a stop so I can talk. And thank you very much, Will, for letting me know how to walk without a gimbal. On the motorbike, there's no solution to the shaking, and I'm sure even a gimbal might just do a little bit of the solution. But guys, it's gonna shake, it's gonna make noise, and you know what, I'm not gonna stop making those types of videos because some of you get annoyed at the sound or at the shaking. I gotta be me, I gotta be real to my style, guys. I'll stop here.
No.
Yeah, I'm gonna get a bottle of wine with Patricia and stuff like that. Okay, she can go. She can go. Here, Patricia, you and I are gonna walk. You give him the dinero, and he's gonna go with Gino to the door, and you and I are gonna go get some beer and wine. All right, Gino, here's the keys. He's gonna take it to the door with you. Here's the key. Oh. Here, find the keys in there for me, please.
What, you need keys?
Keys for the front gate.
This front?
Yeah, that's the... Oh, no. Did I give you the... Oh, no, I didn't give you the front gate. I forgot. Let me turn this on high.